to George Best City Airport in Belfast. Quick time check for you, it's 7 minutes past 12. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. When it's safe to do so, please take care when opening the overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out causing injury. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. For those customers with connecting flights, please follow the flight connection signs. If you require any assistance here at Belfast, please speak to our ground colleagues and we'll be happy to help. For those customers who have ordered special assistance to leave the aircraft today, please remain seated until the aisle around you is clear, and our crew will be on hand to assist you. Thank you for flying on this Aer Lingus flight operated by British Airways. You'll always find the best prices on flights, car hire, hotels and travel insurance on our website. Buy tickets and check in online at airlingus.com.